Regina Daniels family don't bring us another interesting matter. My people, you need to see what they call romantic dates. No be that one that they do, eh? You understand? Flower miss, this one miss. Ned Nwoko na romantic man. You understand? For this in age, you don't get experience. Ned Nwoko don't go there now. With Moroccan, have you had how? I bet English people, Moroccan, I be Moroccan wife. In name na Laila. Serious romantic. I beg, I don't want to waste my time. They talk plenty. As I see this video now, so I just want to fall in love. Now I say make a bring her. So because for when I don't know the Moroccan wife, what they call Laila. Some people never even see Ned with their koro eye. They just hear the name. I don't bring video. So join me, make we watch the video. Wahala for who no share husband, oh. Serious wahala. So now like this, Regina Daniels dey on break. Hey? Ned Nwoko na the real definition of life na turn by turn. They give him wives, he don't train them. Say nah, like this. I know say where Regina mama dey now, she won't die. Because this woman don't they fight for this matter. My sister, relax your nerves. Regina meet people there before, you understand? Never die, yo. My number 7. I be my number 6, sorry. Never die, you understand? Because, in fact, the shock of your life go soon come. Make you just pray. See, in fact, if I be you, I go enter serious prayer and fast, even though I not say no go work, because Ned, the day in blood. Number 7 must surely happen. You understand? You think say na only you go deal with Ned all the rest of your life. Nah lie. They plenty, they go see they come. Ned too like beautiful women. Now why you no fit see? You no fit predict the movement. Anyway, Ned don't see fair, fine girl. They work hand in hand. Fair and fine. FF na Ned signature be that. So una no fit predict am. It go surely happen, and now here we go there. You understand? Hey, I beg. See, now I beg I dey beg. All of you now, you know, so you get wife, we fine, if fair. You know, so you get pikin, like female now, we fine, if fair. Hide them. Hold them tight. Because if Ned said, Papa Ned, if he's setting eye on them, except say if una want turn to Regina mama, or una want say una pikin destiny, you understand? If they catch them, you know, nothing where this man no go do until you win them. Chai! Sir Ned Nwoko, your wives, they try. Forget her. They try. Chai! Me, I not even fit this thing. Imagine Regina now, she dey house. Don't see this video. Haha, just they do boom, boom, bear, boom, boom, bear. And you don't feel do anything. I don't feel all this thing. No. Me, if my boyfriend even they chat with another woman, a problem. Not to talk of romantic date night. I no fit. Oh, I go keep person. Me, I go wound person last. Hey, I no fit. No, me, you know, say I be real person. I always talk my mind the way I say. I beg, bring number 6 outside. Me and now we get serious discussion to discuss. You understand? Auntie Reggie, aka number 6, my only apple, the tomato in Ned Nwoko sauce. Your tongue was so rich. You understand? Why they cry now? I just call you out to tell you say your tongue. I dey try calm your nerves. I no talk say, I no insult you. I never talk. I beg no cry. Hey, because I beg carry this girl because it be like saying na me come make him husband go look for another. I know that's why she dey cry. Hey, I just want tell her jejely say her tongue will come. Oh, make she no worry. Oh, you understand? No be she carry herself. She and her mama no be them collide enter this place. So why she gonna cry for my head? Hey, I beg go because no be me carry you your husband go do dinner night. My people, no be small thing. This girl, no wonder she no even feel hard weight again. Una no know Regina before and now. Plenty things now. People go to say, now because of the stress, when she dey take care of children, this and this and this and this and nah lie. You know how many women don't born when they did their husband house, they just they fresh, they fat. All this one when they see now makeup they cover up. and fine clothes. True. No, make una watch. Abeg, Ned Nwoko, enjoy your dinner night, my brother. You no send anybody make foolish. My people, na the matter be this. So for Ned family house, na the cake where they ground. So because make una join me, make you comment on this thing. I want to know wetin una dey think. Drop out for the comment section. Share this video. It is very, very important. And don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. Love you guys. See you later.